Can you tell me what you're doing?
I'm making something.
What are you making?
I don't know. Put it on the pan. So now what I do is this.
Can you turn toward me and show me what you're doing? Show me how you're making it.
I need to make this way.
There's ingredients underneath you, you know.
I don't see it. Mommy,
All those pieces of food right there.
these are the ingredients. No, these are the ingredients. Okay. This. One more thing. There. Look. That. This.
I'm gonna mix it up.
Now I'm mixing 3 and then 2. Because I'm making.
I think it's on, babe. I think it's on. You can put it back now.
So we need to put this on here. We need to take a bowl. We need to fill it up with some water. Apples. Now we need this there.
What are you making?
Pie.
Pie?
Yeah.
That's a lot of water in pie. Are you making ketchup pie?
No. I just need the ketchup. Okay, now we need to mix this.
Turn and show me how you're mixing.
This.
Come here. Let's go around this way.